Hello everyone, in this lecture we are discussing what is Yarn. Yarn is a package manager commonly used for projects from small to large on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Yarn allows you to use and share code with other developers from around the world, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can use code that other developers have made and published. In this way, Yarn is similar to NPM because it allows you to use packages quickly, securely, and reliably. You can use other developers' tools when developing your own software. Code is shared through a package which contains the code and contains a file called package.json, which describes the package. You can see the usage for Yarn at the official Yarn website, YarnPkg.com, which is short for YarnPkg.com. You can read the documentation and check out the use cases. For example, here are the most common commands. Accessing commands, starting a new project. This is similar to starting a new NPM project. Installing dependencies, so you can build a project and then use other tools in the project, so that way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. For example, if you're building a Web3 project, you don't want to reinvent Web3. You might want to use the Web3 package, so that way you can connect to the blockchain a lot more easily than having to write all of that yourself from scratch. You can add dependencies in different categories. You can upgrade and remove dependencies and upgrade Yarn. These are the most common commands, but of course, Yarn has many different commands available. If you have any questions when using Yarn or installing Yarn, go to the official GitHub page for Yarn. So you just go to github.com and search up Yarn. Here you can read more about the documentation and you can see other questions that other developers are having. Join me coming up next. We'll talk about how to install Yarn. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammoethinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.